All of you doing great. Well, right now we are going to talk about the real estate snapshot. And basically, the real estate snapshot, you are going to get it completely free. Please watch the video completely till the end. And this is not the only snapshot that you're going to get. You are going to get another snapshot along with this. That is the real estate one. But not just that, like you're even going to get 127 plus snapshots, and all of that completely free. Let me just quickly give you walkthrough, and then I'm going to tell you how do you get it. And basically, these are the funnels, as you can see: buy or sell, the new listing, open house, attendee, seller, pre-listing checklist, right? And there you have the websites. This is the again, like real estate complete website. This is a 7-page website that you have, and okay, you have the home page, buy page, right? 5 simple service to get, appointment confirmed, sell your home, contact, referral leads, and similarly, the other snapshot for the real estate along with this that you're going to get, that is also amazing. Uh, and you even have the automation part, like here. Let us try to see the automation part. The appointment automation or the nurture automation, and within this is the folder. Basically, appointment automation, you have the set of things that is related with the appointment: confirmation, reminders, confirmation, this one workflow, and then referral. And similarly, like the other one is the nurturing part. Now, before further proceeding, let me just tell you how do you get this snapshot, like because the message gets lost on the way. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just sign up to the 30-day free trial of Gohighlevel using our link, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. And the link where you can find these links and do that is abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Right there, you can do either of the 3 actions. The button is there basically for the sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the 297 or the $497 plan. No, but not just that, like you are even going to get one-to-one personal support with me. That is, in fact, even better than, because see, the personal support, what I'm going to do, I have my WhatsApp. I have my expert. That expert, you and me, we 3 people will be on the WhatsApp group, and it will be like very handy to get you completely kick-started. Like whatever that you'd wish you'd see on the website itself, abdullahzahid.com/snapshot, like whatever that you wish to get, like to get entire setup done, to get your onboarding, to get to know how the things, and to the extent that even if you want a website to be built, my expert is going to be building that. But that is like, of course, like if you demand that, if you require that then, or even if you want this A to P approval, that is also we are going to do. But like some people don't need that, so we don't want to be pushy onto that. So of course, like this is going to be helpful for everyone. So having said that, one last thing like I wanted to add before I show you the entire snapshot is that, let's say you have already signed up for the Gohighlevel, don't wish to upgrade, nothing, but still want the snapshot. So one special thing that we have uh, done, it is like anybody can do it within next 30 seconds. You will be eligible, and you can just let me know. All you have to do is just go to the agency settings, and then of course, like the AI employee, manage offers, and put the code AI bonuses. Right, let me just show you. Just go to the settings, just click on AI employee. Now click on manage offer, and here you just put FP reference is equal to AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, and click on apply. The moment that you do that, that's it. Like just uh, let us know. You just SMS us. Email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Email you'll find it anyway. Like I'll pop it up onto the screen as well, or even in the comments, or even on the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, or even you find my WhatsApp number over there, and we are going to ensure that you get the complete 127 snapshots set, which even include this one. Let us just have a quick walkthrough of the snapshot, the real estate one, which is definitely, I'm pretty sure that you would love it. Buy or sell, these are the simple funnels, 2-step, 3-step, open house attendees, seller, pre-listing checklist. See, this is the idea of the funnel. Like funnel by definition itself, like it should be simple. Uh, I mean, by definition, within the website, the thing is like everything is out there, but you don't have a specific action for the respective user. But for the funnels, do have like specific action. Like at one particular page, one action is being requested. That is how like the salesmen do, one step at a time. So let me just quickly show you this one: buy or sell. Right. Let us try to, I mean, of course, you're going to open the editor window and just edit the details to your thing. Trusted real estate is at your service, a hassle-free home buying and selling, 4.9 stars and stuff. So of course, like you edit the detail as per your wish, like the way that you want. But not just that, like even you have, I mean, of course, apart from the other funnels that you have, the other four funnels, you will be able to see through it. So this is the Snapshot website, and this is a thorough website. You know, the entire, like you can, any of the client that you're onboarding for the real estate, like literally you can just edit the details. Like you have a buy a home appointment booking page, you have the contact page, sell your home, hot leads, referral calendar. All these things are out there, and definitely like you will be able to do a lot of good with these. So having said that, like let us quickly, I mean, of course, the website is there, the funnel is there. Let us just quickly see the automation part as well. So you here, I just already told you, like one is the nurture automation and then the appointment of automation. Let us just jump onto one of them. Let's say this is the nurture automation. So as you can see, many of these are like in draft status, because see, it's better to see and check like whether it is good for you or not, any of the workflow. Now the question would be like, how do I know whether it is good for me? Let me tell you an easy step to read the workflows. So basically, new seller lead, let's say this is the home evaluation, and I'll just open it. This one is pre-published. One way could be like, if you already know how to read the respective workflows, right? That wait 1 minute, this is email, this is sent, or this is the workflow AI. And as you can see, every single day you have 30 credits free. One credit is required for each action. Describe this workflow. I just click, and here you have the entire workflow being defined. Step one is workflow starts where the lead submit form, wait briefly, short for 1 minute. So this is what it means. Now the first, what does this one, the first email is going to be sent after the wait. An email is sent to the lead asking for a quick chat to gather more information for a personalized report. Like another wait again, another 1 minute pause, call action. So each of the individual things you can read through. But let me tell you, like let me assure you, this is very thorough, and you would love it. And this is not the only snapshot. As I told you, there's another real estate snapshot, but not just that. 127 snapshot. Like there's so many different kind of them. Like I don't even remember the each of them. But of course, like as I told you, just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 plan. Upgrade to the $497 plan. I mean, I've done interviews with the CEO and the co-founders and all these and like both the co-founders and the CEO. I mean, super amazing people. That is why I'm in love with Gohighlevel. That is why I'm full-time promoting it right now, because I believe in its potential, the amount of value offering it is giving, like crazy value. Like I believe that it is offering 10x the value that it is charging as a cost. So all that's being said and done, I mean, yes, you can do that. And apart from that, just let's say you have already signed up, you don't wish to sign up anymore, just go to, just go to, as I already told you, AI employee manage offer, just put our code AI bonuses and click apply. And that's it. Like you will be able to get everything done. Like the moment you click apply, just email us and we'll send you the entire snapshot. I wish you guys all the best. Any questions, comment down below. I'll personally answer each one of you. Wish you guys all the best. Bye bye.